Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatriya Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the general passage at the speed of 100 WPM near about. For the aspirants who are preparing for HSSC stenographer exam, be ready. Start. Sir, insofar as that the patron of the society in the order of the believe in the greater and greater to the quality in the income tax department Delhi by the honorable minister that the honorable lower house in the appear of the course to the discussion at the same time by the honorable minister full stop the land ceiling act to the order of the acquisition with the order of the United States of America that the respect have been recorded full stop. Here even members of parliament cannot come that the order of this case with the honorable minister that the solve in this problem full stop if we are noticed to the distribute with the order that more than in the application have been strengthened full stop report of the honorable planning commission Delhi on the 10th 5-year plan to the house of parliament full stop the deals in the ultimate to the order full stop report of the work have been done to the opportunity with the industrialization in the country as quickly as possible to the order a large number of this certain about it full stop there is notice to the order of the indicate in this house of parliament full stop report that the formidable in the 10th plan has been indicated in this parliament to the order of this honorable planning commission full stop all the one hand to the order of the engage to the multinational by the in the people full stop therefore that the order of the investment by the order of this condition to the calculation have been inclined to the order of the pessimist in our country full stop the planning commission has been noticed to the order of the honorable estimate committee Delhi about the resources of the notice by the second 5-year plan full stop there has been noticed to the atmosphere of the honorable planning commission New Delhi that the authority in this believe by the order full stop and over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी जो कि फ्लक्चुएट करके 100 WPM काउंट होती है। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।